My name is Neil MacDonald, and I am a bladder cancer survivor. When caught early, the chances of survival are very good. The American Cancer Society reports that the 5-year survival rate for urinary bladder cancer is 82% among whites and 65% among blacks. The survival rate has increased significantly in the past several decades. The reduction may reflect earlier diagnosis, better therapy, less exposure to carcinogens, or some combination of these factors. In women, there are significant delays in diagnosing bladder cancer. Many women ignore the most basic symptom, blood in the urine, which they may associate with menstruation or menopause, and delay reporting this symptom to their doctors. The disparity between women and men in both the diagnosis of bladder cancer and the 5-year survival rate is compelling. Women have a disproportionately higher death rate from bladder cancer than men. A greater percentage of women than men are diagnosed with muscular invasion or later-stage bladder cancer. Women also have a disproportionately higher death rate. 74% of patients when first diagnosed with bladder cancer have their cancer confined to the bladder. About 1 in 5 bladder cancers have grown into the muscle layer of the bladder when they are diagnosed. It is not possible to tell a person how long he or she will live with bladder cancer. Statistics are based on thousands of cases. The risk to a particular individual may differ. It appears that I have beat the statistical odds. In 2000, I was diagnosed with bladder cancer. In 2001, I had a radical cystectomy. Since a few very aggressive cancer cells were found in the lymph nodes in my groin, I needed chemotherapy. I am one of the lucky ones. I have been cancer-free since 2001. In 2007, I started my blog at mybladdercancersite.com, depicting my fight with bladder cancer. The aim of my blog is to provide information and hope to those who are just beginning their fight with this devastating disease. You can read about my fight with bladder cancer and perhaps gain some insight into this devastating disease. Once again, the URL is mybladdercancersite.com.